Hi everyone and welcome to the channel, the 4x4 window cleaner. So in this episode I just wanted to share some of my techniques that I like to use, share a few tips with you in cleaning skylights. So with this particular skylight I'm roughly between 7 to 8 foot up the ladder and cleaning this skylight which is set into a pitched roof. This window is a first clean and the glass was fairly bad but not terrible. So depending on what you come across, you may want to use extra cleaning products like degreaser. But for me, I was confident to just go straight in with using just pure water. So the brush that I'm using on this particular job is by Tucker. It's a US brand. And this particular brush head is a hybrid light brush, so it's got nylon bristles, and also in the centre is a natural boar hair bristle. So really good for scrubbing down first clean windows. So you can just see here now I'm just working along the bottom of the frame where a lot of dirt and algae was sitting, and I'm just going in with the first initial rinse. And you can see on the brush that I've got 4 pencil jets, so this again is really helpful for getting a really good sheet of water to run down the glass and getting rid of all the dirt and particles that are sitting there. So I'm just working a bit more on the bottom of the frame, and now I'd like to move over to my trad pole, and the reason I do that is because I like to see, particularly on skylights, if I can get to them with my trad pole, I like to see the glass dry on the first clean, and that's because depending on the angle or the pitch of the window, if you leave the pure water sitting there, it can leave behind dirt, remnants of algae, things like that. So just doing some straight pulls, bringing down all that water that you can see sitting on the glass, bringing it down to the bottom of the frame. And I'm just going to switch the angle on my Unger swivel ninja handle, and I'm just going to do some straight pulls across the glass. And just doing this gives you that opportunity to look at the glass now dry, and I normally find it will show any kind of stubborn marks that could be there. As I said, this is a first clean, and I believe the windows haven't been cleaned for maybe a few years. So I have seen some stubborn marks on the glass still, so I'm using my walnut pad, and the walnut pad just sits there on some Velcro and goes in and scrubs the remaining dirt, and it's really helpful for those tough bits of dirt that you get. So it's something I've made myself with some plastic sheet and Velcro, and it just fits on to a little quick socket release. So I've got rid of those remaining bits of dirt now, just giving it another quick scrub over with the Tucker brush, working side to side and working my way down the window to the bottom part of the frame. And I'm just going to give it one final rinse now with pure water. So I hope you found this video helpful and appreciate you watching the video. Thanks for watching.